Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. I don't think anybody's going to sit around and dispute that. But that does lead to the logical question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, kind of fake price movement here? I have no idea. But the good news is, like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to best illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit just to give a little bit more perspective. There we go. So look, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about this key level right here at 26 cents. Why is 26 cents so important? Well, like I said, let's pretend like the price breaks below it or worse yet, separates to the downside. If that were to happen, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's already been before. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend it pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They make progress in the upwards direction as time goes by. So to me, going forward, if the price is going to make progress, which is what you want to see, I'm defining, that overall progress as 26 cents. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest and be kind of a best case scenario? If the price can stay up above 31 cents, that would be the best case, situation. But by no means am I saying if the price drops below 31 cents that everything's ruined or anything like that. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Got to go back into the chart's history. Always a good problem to have. Not sure if the price hit this level today or not, but let's see. Right up there at, right around that area. I guess not quite. Came up a little shy, but 37 cents. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see 37 cents knocked down the price there, and got relatively close right there. So 37 cents, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. No doubt about it, though. Overall, though, very nice day. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interest in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.